Hello guys, so in-announce na ng WWE, ito na yung mga matches for Crown Jewel. So bale, I think 6 matches to. So una is for the Crown Jewel Championship, WWE Champion Cody Rhodes versus World Heavyweight Champion Gunther. Ang mananalo dito, siya ay magiging Crown Jewel Champion. Next naman, Randy Orton versus Kevin Owens. And then, of course, Seth Rollins versus Bronson Reed. Triple threat match for the United States Championship. LA Knight versus Andrade versus Carmelo Hayes. And then 6-woman tag team match for the Women's Tag Team Championship. And of course, lastly, for another Crown Jewel Championship na naman. So, Nia Jax, the Women's Champion versus the Women's World Champion Liv Morgan. So, meron pang isa. Lastly, i-announce to by next Saturday. Bale, the original Bloodline, Roman Reigns and the Usos versus Bloodline 2.0, which is si Solo Sikoa, the Tongans. So, bale 7 na yun ah. Kaya ako sinabing 7 matches kasi i-announce na next Saturday yung match nila Roman Reigns and the Usos versus the Bloodline 2.0. So, yun ang mga matches for Crown Jewel next Saturday. So, let me know in the comments anong masasabi nyo dito sa match card na to. Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. And kung gusto nyo pa pag-usapan natin Santa Makmak na wrestling para maging updated kayo, follow nyo na ako dito sa TikTok. Peace!